You failed again?
I'm sorry, Dad.
Don't sorry me. What's your problem? I'm asking you, what is your problem? Sorry. Will sorry bring back the money I pay for your school fees? Will sorry bring that back? Do you know how much I pay every time for you? Everything they ask me to do, I do it to make sure you improve in your studies, and yet you keep bringing poor grades. You're telling me you're sorry.
Baby, what is it?
You can't even improve in your academics.
Okay, my love, what is it? I heard your...
Take a look at this result first before you have anything to say. What nonsense! You started to tell me you're sorry. So the people that took first in class, they have 2 heads, or that took second, or third, or fourth, or fifth. You are as poor as taking 15th position.
She's sorry.
If I God get down from my phone and go meet your mother. You're sorry.
It's okay, stop crying, okay? It's
You're sorry.
It's okay. Honestly, baby, I don't like the way you shouted on our child.
What was that supposed to mean? No, I should clap for her for coming home with low grade. You should be more angrier than I am for helping her with her home fund with nothing to show for it.
Come on, she's only a child.
What do you mean only a child? A 10-year-old girl, a child?
Seriously, baby, I don't like it. You were harsh. You were harsh.
Oh, please don't tell me that bullshit. How can you just call her a child? So the boy or the girl that took first and second, they're not child. They're not children. I spend money all the time. Do you know how much I spend on the school fees? Oh, you know.
I know. Maybe there's something wrong, actually.
That's what you should try and find out.
Babe, come on. I think the solution here is let's change her school. Yes, let's change that school.
Change her school?
Yes.
And that will be the 5th school you've changed in 2 years. Right? You want to change another school. In 2 years, you've changed 5 schools.
Maybe there is something wrong with the teachers, you know? Maybe.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. It's because anytime she comes back, you just hug her. Welcome, my daughter. Well done. For having nothing. 15th position out of 20 in class.
Tell me, Tiffany. That man isn't my dad, is he? But I'm angry at you. You were cheering me up during the whole exam and you told me I was doing great. You lied to me.
Mama. Hey!
Nene, what is the meaning of all this now? I mean that have I told you? If you want firewood, you tell me. I will do it myself, or I'll call one of my boys to cut it down for you. Stop stressing yourself, I don't like it.
I needed firewood. And there was nobody at home, so I said, let me help myself.
You wait,
It will not happen again. I saw Mom. The strongest girl in the Mumesiaka. See how you're looking gallant like a soldier.
Stop praising me, stop.
I won't hold it again.
See, you're the only person I have in this earth. I don't want anything to happen to you. Stop doing all this hard work. Please, Mama, please.
You just remind me of your father. Even though he's not here with us, I still miss him. Unfortunately, the cold hands of death took him away from us.
Stop talking about Papa.
Wherever he is, we'll be very proud of you.
Mama, it's okay. Eh? I'm happy that God made it possible for us to move on. You know, each time you start thinking about my father, you're always getting sick. I don't want anything to happen to you. Eh? It's okay. Just go inside and rest. Mama, I spoke to my stepbrother.
Oh,
And he said I should greet you.
But tell him to call me.
Okay, no problem.
I need to cook now.
Mama, go. I will do it myself. Go, I will do it myself. Okay. Go now.
Let me cut small.
Mama, go. Just go take. Drop this in inside.
Me? No.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, go.
Passing. Dispose it. Burn it now.
Come on, Sam.
Are you mad? Are you a child? My friend, now throw this and burn. Now.
Okay.
Sweetie, I know you're angry. I'm sorry for what Dad did to your toy. And I promise to replace it by weekend.
Tiffany was innocent and has done nothing to deserve what my dad did to her.
I know. I am going to miss Tiffany. Everybody's going to miss Tiffany.
I hate Dad.
No. Baby, don't say that. You can't hate your father. Your dad is a good man. It's just that he's angry that your grades in school are not cool.
But I tried.
I know you tried. You tried your very best. Okay? But it's okay. Like I said, I will replace it. Okay? Your dad is going to see things the way I see it. And he will change, okay? Don't be angry. Come here. Don't be sad. Okay? I'll replace it to a good one, I promise.
What's the meaning of that?
I don't understand, sir.
You don't understand. Why is your cleavage open?
Oh, is it? Let me get you that.
Close it.
I'm sorry, the water or the food?
Close it. Why are you not supposed to button it? Why did you leave? Why is it not button here to button your to button your shirt?
Oh, the clothes. Yeah, sure. After giving you water, I'll do that.
Friend, keep this thing here. Tongue here and go and button it inside here.
Amara. Mama, are you leaving already? Yes. Did you eat the food I kept for you? I ate it. Well, my boys called me. They said they caught a criminal at Ori Market very early this morning. I'm on my way there now.
Careful, oh.
Careful.
What do you want your own? Let me quickly go to the farm. Oh?
What is even wrong with this man? When will he take notice of the love I have for him? Why can't he just open his stupid eyes and see that I desperately want him in my life? Why is he so dumb and acting like he's not interested? I hate men that pretend though. He should just notice these things, I beg. I know they like men with a door. See all these things. As if you no get eyes.
Please! Shut up! Your time don't come, bros. You don't do. You understand? Every day for the thief, for the corner. Just keep this for you. It's like tough blood. I'm not hitting you. You understand?
Calm down, relax.
Strongest. As we are coming out from our night walk, so we have to hide. We need for us to be told that we left the phone for the woman.
Yes, it's true. I saw a phone and a handbag in his hands. And when I checked it, I saw valuables inside the bag. This thief.
Please forgive me. Could you believe that he injured the woman?
Is that true?
Is that true? Yes. Amen, forgive me. Amen.
I will not do it again.
Problem of no day.
I beg you.
Do you know that woman is lying critical ill in the hospital?
I'm sorry.
Do you know she's lying critical ill in the hospital because of you?
I'm sorry.
Boys! Bring him.
Good morning, sir.
What do you want?
Sir, I want to quickly clean this place. That is if you don't mind.
Oh, please, just go. I'm busy at the moment. Come back later.
Sir, I'll be going to the market shortly, so let me just... I won't take so much time. Let me just hurry and clean this place.
What's this? Is that the only place you know how to clean? Please, take your stuffs and leave. I'm busy. Come back later.
I'm almost done, sir.
I said come back later. Go.
Sir, this... Let me just clean the leg like this. It will just not take...
Come back. Come. Are you okay?
Sorry, sir.
Waiting after the apple and I'm organ there. I don't understand. Waiting they solve.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up?
I don't understand. Shouldn't this your parent they give you this kind of mind? Waiting they bring some up now.
I think it happened, don't worry. So, what do I owe this August meeting? And who is this young man here?
I told you that one day I'm going to visit you. But you thought I was joking. Here I am, the almighty union chairman.
And what is all this nonsense all about? In my office. And who is this young man here?
That's why I'm here. For you to tell me who he is.
Oh, I don't understand. What be this one? What did they bring this one come now? Plus, who be this girl now? Who be this small girl? I go run. Hey,
Look back! Come on, sit down, man! Sit down, man, idiot! Move it! Criminal! Hey! Answer the question. What they look me
Well,
for?
it's fine. I wasn't expecting something lesser than this. I know you're going to deny it. I know you're going to deny this boy you turned into a criminal.
Young man, who are you? Do you know me? Do you know me?
I know you.
Who you know now?
I know this man.
You're the one that turned me into a thief. I've been working for you. Who introduced me to this life if it's not you? It's you now! Well,
You have nothing to say. I told you that one day the truth will come out and you'll be out from your shadow. Like they say, every day is for the thief, but one day is for the owner.
you can't do nothing. You cannot do me anything. Because you don't have any concrete proof to back this up.
Maybe that is when I will charge you for turning innocent boys to criminals to terrorize the community. And also charge you to court for raping that innocent girl.
Alright, let's see. Let's see, no problems. I'm here.
Really?
Let's see.
Boys!
Thief! Come on, move! She must leave this house. That's final.
Why?
You don't ask me why. That's an order. She must leave this house.
No, I don't understand, baby. I don't understand. Doesn't mean I don't have the right to know why you want to sack our maid without any replacement.
Like I said, I don't want to know. And I don't care. She must leave this house. So you better start looking for replacement.
Are you doing this because of the new contract you lost?
I'm off to see a friend.
Abigail. Abigail, what are you doing?
Ma, I overheard it all. I understand. I'll go.
You overheard what? My husband?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Abigail. Please, forget about what you heard. Okay? I want you to stay. Don't go.
Ma'am, please.
I do not want to cause any trouble. Let me just go, please. Can you please stop? I said you're not going anywhere and that's final. Meet me in the kitchen. What's the meaning of that?
Bro, you mean she's still making advances at you?
Yeah, but there's nothing to worry about because she will definitely leave this month. Definitely. I can't condone such attitude anymore.
My guy, what is wrong with you now, eh? You mean that girl is making advances at you with that her body and everything you're there? Tell me you don't want.
I don't understand. So you want me to cheat on my wife? Is that what you're insinuating?
Not really, bro, but...
No, because I don't understand telling me her banging body. I should cheat on my wife?
Jake, you're the one that told me your wife is not good at anything. Intelligence, zero.
Hey,
Sex life, zero.
Look. You dare not talk about my wife in that manner. I didn't say it like that.
Okay, I'm sorry if you feel offended, but I'm just stating the facts.
It's not if I feel offended. I'm offended. I'm just telling you as my best friend what's going on with me. You're telling me to cheat on my wife? What kind of advice is that? It's not, I'm offended because you can't be saying that now. Let's be guided now. You're advising me to cheat on my wife.
That is not what I mean, bro. But you just still need...
Babe, has it been long you returned?
Not quite long, though I already had my dinner.
Okay.
I was with Sam.
Sam, how is he?
It's okay. It's fine. You replaced Annabelle's toys?
Yes, I did. Are you going to be angry with me on that?
Not really. So actually, I wanted to apologize for the way I spoke to you. I shouldn't have raised my voice. Just that
It's okay. I understand. Okay? You don't need to apologize. It's fine. Can we sleep now? Good night. Mwah.
Wait.
What? Do you want more kissing? I'm curious to get in the mood.
Wait. This is not right. I can't do this, please.
Wait.
No.
Wait, Jake!
I can't.
Well?
The strongest. How far the case of the Union Shema? Any updates?
Yes. You know the DPO was not there when we locked that boy up in the station. So he called me. Yes, he called me. He said the boy will be charged to court. And he also said we are going to be present. Well, I said there is no problem as long as the boy will be able to say the truth so that we can pardon him.
That means you have to go to the police station so that you can give the boy food. Because I doubt whether this policeman will give him anything.
What about the girl that was raped? Isn't she going to be a part of this movement?
Of course she will. She'll come to the court with us so she can press the charge against them.
See, if someone would tell me that the union chairman is involved in this case, I would say that that person is lying.
I know. You know, this is one thing I'll be telling you guys. That there's something fishy about that guy each time I interview him. But both of you will tell me I should let him leave because he looks calm. That guy has a skeleton in his wardrobe. From his eyes, you can tell.
Sometimes I wonder how you do it. I mean, you sound like a real detective. You're just so smart and intelligent.
What?
It's that boy. That boy. I saw him. He was coming out from the market.
Which boy?
The one you guys arrested for raping a girl.
Eh?
Yes. I saw him.
Released?
Yes. I saw him.
You saw him?
Yes, I'm not lying.
He has been released. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, I'm not lying.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go. Hold it, hold it.
What will I do with my dad in your room?
What did you just say?
I believe you heard me. Or should I go to my mom about it?
Look, Annabelle, I don't know what you're talking about.
Really? Fine.
Oh, wait. Annabelle, I am not doing anything with your dad, okay? He was just giving me some tasks to carry out.
What task? Look, I don't see anywhere close my dad again, okay?
Sure, I won't.
Promise.
I promise. I need to act fast before this stupid girl exposes me. I know her well. It won't be long enough before she tells her mom, and that'll be the end of the road for me. No, I can't let this happen. I can't.
Yep.
What did you just do?
Maybe you should send the maid away.
I don't understand. Have you joined your father? You know how hasty your father makes decisions.
Maybe he has a strong reason for asking her to leave.
What is going on? Annabelle, all of a sudden you joined your father asking me to send the maid away. Why will I do that? What changed?
Nothing, Mom. I just think my dad may have a strong reason why he wants the maid to leave.
Annabelle, there is no strong reason. Your dad can be harsh at times. And that is one thing I don't like about him. Please don't be like him, okay?
It's okay, Mom. Maybe Dad was wrong. We should let her stay.
Yes, exactly. We're going to let her stay, okay? Be accommodating. Don't be like your daddy, okay? Case closed. Good girl.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What is it?
Madam, no vex so. Madam, you get wetin I wan tell you. It's very important. Oh. Please give me listening ear.
Come like this, so I'll see you clearly.
I should adjust. Okay, let me adjust.
I did not say you should enter my mouth.
I'm sorry, madam. Madam, is about the maid, Abigail.
Abigail?
Uh-huh.
What about Abigail?
Yummy.
Ma, I can't believe you listened to a lie told by my detractor and you believed him.
Well, I never said I believed him. I did not say that.
Ma, from the way you're sounding, to the look on your face, it shows that you believed him.
Well, I only called you to ask you what I heard. Not like I believed what he said. I trust you. Honestly, I do.
The gatesman has been making passes at me. He wants to lay with me.
What?
Yes, ma. I refused, and he's trying to do this so that you can sack me as a way of my punishment. How does it feel? Tell me. How does it feel having your evil arrow rebounded with a punishment? Oh, not to worry. I had everything. 20,000 naira will be deducted from your salary. How much would that leave you with?
You are evil. Yes, you are evil. I swear to God, you will regret this. More regret get your honor, man. You will regret this thing that you just did.
Regret? What is there to regret?
Hi.
What is there to regret in fooling with the plans of my enemies? Now you listen. If you do not stay away from my business, the next will be you losing your job.
See, let me tell you what you don't know. Even the Bible says, the Egyptian we see today, we shall see them no more. Psalm verse 23.
And if you do not stay away from my business, those Egyptians, you will see them every day of your life.
It shall not stand, neither shall it come to pass. Genesis 1 verse 1. Amen. I rebuke in Jesus' name. Amen.
Don't worry, you have nothing to your salary. How does... Hi, honey. You said you're not going out today?
Yeah, I'm not going out. I'm home. Where are you guys going?
Well, I'm going to register her in a new school.
Interesting. You think that will be the solution?
I'm going to try. I mean, I'll keep on trying till I get the best school for my daughter, whose success in life is already assured.
Dad, I'm going to make you proud.
Of course.
I trust you.
I know that didn't come from your heart, but I promise you, my daughter is going to shock you one day. Don't worry.
Babe. My darling. Don't worry. Let me know. You don't need to.
Let me get the water.
Okay. My love. My love, come and sit and watch me, okay? Take it easy, okay?
Yes.
You know I can't get tired of your food. You're the best cook in this world.
Thank you. That's so sweet to hear.
My love, why are you not eating with me?
Baby, have you forgotten?
What?
I told you I'll be fasting today.
Oh, babe, my bad. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I hope you put me in your prayers, baby.
Of course. If I don't, who will?
Babe.
In fact, you are my #1 prayer point.
I know, babe. You're the best, you know. You're the best thing that happened to me. And I blessed the day I met you. You're my jewel and everything. I'm so glad to have you in my life, my love.
Thank you, baby. And I'm super happy to have you. In fact, God gave me a perfect man.
I know, baby.
Thank you.
And I'll continue being the best to you, okay?
Eat your food before it to get cold.
Oh, good. So, baby?
Yeah.
Good.
Mom,
Yes,
I'll make you proud.
Wow.
And I'll make big money and give to you.
Are you serious?
But I won't give that.
Come on, darling. Why will you say that?
He doesn't like me.
Sweetheart, you don't have to say that. Dad likes you. In fact, your daddy loves you. That's why he keeps paying your school fees and supporting you even when you're not doing well.
But he's not patient with me. You are.
Listen, darling, I know he's not patient with you, but please, can I beg you for something? You have to be the one patient with your dad. You get it? Your dad is trying too. You have to be patient with him, okay? You can't just dislike your dad for no reason. Don't say that again. I don't like it.
Okay, Mom. Mom, can I tell you a secret?
What?
I told you can't take me to jail, but you thought I'm lying.
Is that what you think?
Exactly, is what I know.
I can see. You have all your games and all your plans played out. Do you think you have people who are high and mighty and they're always available to bail you out? I want to tell you something. One day, you will swim in a river and it will drown you. It will drown you to the point that you start seeking for life. Mark my word.
Nobody can take me down. Yes! Nobody! Let me tell you. And what do you think? How do you think I survive? The world is full of death games. And only those that queues into it survives. Yes, how do you think I run the pack? How do you think I make my money? I work for some people and I'm loyal to them. Yes, so you can do me anything. Stop chasing antelope you cannot catch. Yeah!
You feel so big of yourself. That's good. Yes, it's good. But let me warn you, whoever your godfather or godmother is, bet me, when you go down, he or she is going down with you.
Okay then, we shall see. I'm here! Hey, I forgot to tell you something. Huh? See, let me tell you something. There is a breakfast waiting for you there. Out there. Intelligent Officer Amara. Oh, come on.
Hi, baby.
Come on, get your hands off me, you fool. If you know what is good for your miserable self, if I go to work and meet you, by the time I come back to this house and meet you here, you will not like yourself. I swear to God, get yourself out of this house.
Calm down, my love.
Come on! Are you mad? You think I'm joking? Do you think I'm joking? I see you came into this family to cause problem. I will not let you. Today is a final day. You're leaving this house. I'll just kindly instruct my gate man. If you know what is good for you, let me see you here when I return. You know.
What just happened? What? No. Not me thinking I have him at the back of my palm. I've already prepared to be in a competition with Madame by answering second wife. No. This can't happen. I need to do something. What? Oh, ma'am, you're back. Greetings. Where's my husband? Ma'am, he stepped out. To where? I don't know, ma'am. How did the school go?
What are you still doing here? What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you to leave this house before I get back?
I'm sorry, that's not going to happen.
Pardon?
I believe you heard me. I said that's not going to happen.
Is that supposed to be a joke?
No. What do you think your wife will ask me when she sees you threw me out? I will tell her that you're throwing me out after sleeping with me.
No, that must be a joke, right? 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 You tell her what?
Who do you think she'll believe?
You're trying to blackmail me?
No, baby, but I'm not going anywhere.
Think twice.
Don't push me. So I finally gotten him at the back of my palm. Baby, you're back. Where did you go?
I had an emergency at the office, so I'm just coming back.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. I said I had an emergency at the office, so I just got back right now. So...
It's okay. Go freshen up and join me.
Okay. Alright.
Go and freshen up.
Yeah, I was going to freshen up. You know I love you, right?
I do. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Let me just use the bathroom then.
Babe. Babe.
Yes, honey.
Yeah, hurry up, we are running late already.
I'm almost done.
Okay. My love. I hope we don't meet the antenatal today.
No, we won't.
Dr. Mark just called me not too long ago.
Oh, I missed his calls also. I'm sure he wanted to ask my whereabouts.
Okay, baby. So how's my baby doing?
She's fine.
And who told you it's a girl?
I've already said this countless times. This is a girl.
You're sure, right?
Yes.
I will have a bet on that.
Of course.
You're so beautiful, my love.
Thank you, baby. You too.
Alright, now, take care of yourself.
Okay.
Alright, take it easy, my baby.
Alright.
Okay? Easy.
What are you doing? Oh, good morning, ma'am. I asked a question. What are you doing? I'm about trying to prepare breakfast for your husband. Don't worry, I'll take it from here. I don't understand, ma'am. I said go. I will take it from here. Move.
So what are we going to do now?
That idiot. That man is so wicked and mean. The strongest, that man needs to go down. He needs to go down.
See, the strongest. Amara, you are the strongest girl in this community. Even in the whole of this kingdom, you are the strongest. That man needs to go down. Yes. We need to track him. And we need to act fast. Yes.
Where is that voice is coming from?
I think he's coming from this direction.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What is going on? Could it be that she's suspecting me now? Oh my God. Could it be this man told her? I doubt. Otherwise, she would have thrown me out of this house. But why would she ask me to leave the kitchen? What is going on? I think it's time to eliminate her.
Is my mom sure she's correct? I felt the one she did yesterday and I've been feeling all the ones she has been doing for me. I'm tired. Hope I won't feel this one once I get to school.
Abigail.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to the market. Please take care of the house. My husband is dressing up to leave now, okay? He has eaten, so don't bother making any food. Once I'm back, I'll make his lunch. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care of the house.
Hello, madam.
What is wrong with you? What took you so long?
Madam, I'm sorry, I've been there toilet. Hi. Madam, don't worry, it's not smelling. I clean it up. Madam, hold on. Madam, where is your car?
Oh, my car, it broke down. My car is at the mechanic, but I came home to get something.
Don't worry now. Let me go and get it for you.
Don't worry, I can do it myself. What is wrong with you? I can do it.
I'm sorry, madam.
Hope you're good.
I'm good. Madam, are you good?
You're mad.
Okay, madam. I am concerned now and mad. No problem.
did you do to my husband?
What did you do to my husband? What did you do to my husband?
I'm only trying to help.
Help with what exactly? What have you done?
I didn't do anything to your husband, ma. I didn't do anything.
I didn't believe it.
I didn't do anything.
I didn't believe it when my daughter on the gate man told me that you're having an affair with my husband. So you want to ruin my marriage? Baby, what did you do to my husband? Stop talking! What have you done? Stop talking! Talk!
Ma, you know your husband is hot. Yes, ma, and each time I come in, he's always looking unsatisfied. So I wanted to help. That's all, ma. I had to do something.
You had to do what? Sleep with my... Annabelle, you had to sleep. You had to sleep.
Ma, did you do anything?
Wake my husband up. Undo what you did. Wake my husband up. Wake
No.
You didn't do anything, ma. Baby, please wake up.
I didn't do anything. I was just giving you stress.
Come here.
Hey!
Jesus.
Christ. This guy just
Hi!
How can somebody hit somebody? Yeah, look at this kind of big stick.
Jesus.
Hey!
Fine,
I'm
boy.
telling you. Hi!
just see blood waste.
What's going on here?
I'm telling you.
What happened? What's going on?
What happened? I think he stole from someone. We find his lifeless body here.
Hey!
Hey! He's dead.
He's gone.
They killed him.
Who killed who?
The people he worked for.
My thinking exactly. Maybe we should call the police.
Yes. I guess they will do something to take his lifeless body out of this place.
So terrible.
Abigail! Abigail!
Don't take the law in your hands.
Don't worry, your husband will be fine, okay?
Are you sure? Are you sure? I brought this home. I caused all this. I'm sorry wherever you are. I'm sorry.
Madam, relax. I spoke to the doctor already and they have started treatment on him. He'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Just relax.
Yes. Your husband loves you, okay? Please.
Secure, open the gate. Move it! Open the gate!
Hi, baby. Baby, I'm so sorry. You have to have this, okay? While I fix your lunch. Don't worry.
Thanks, Mom, but why are you the one that brought it? I don't thought I knew clothes when I returned. What's going on? Where's the maid?
Well, the maid is gone.
What do you mean gone?
Sweetheart, I acted on what you told me about her. So Daddy and I sent her away.
Mom, you don't know how happy I am hearing this from you. So she's gone.
Yes, exactly. She's gone. So, have your juice while I fix your lunch.
It's finally gone. Dad.
I love you, okay?
How are you doing now?
Much more better.
Dad, can you help me with my homework?
My love, I'm busy at the moment, okay? Can you go meet your mom?
But I want you to help me out with it.
Where's your mom?
Dad, I'm going to fail if you don't help me out. I feel the one she did for me.
Come. Just open it.
Oh my goodness. You passed it all.
Yes, I did. I'm not surprised.
And why are you not surprised? Because you have been failing everything.
Well, that's because Dad helped me this time around.
That helped you?
Yes.
So are you trying to say that I have been the reason you've been failing?
Isn't that obvious? I failed all the ones he helped me in doing.
Annabelle. That's an unfair thing to say to your mother.
Well, I'm sorry. At least you know why I passed this time around.
Oh no, you see, all I want from you is for you to take care of that part. Money is not the problem, okay? Just hold on. Here is 500,000. Huh? The moment that is done, you get your balance.
Chairman, Chairman, you can count on me. On daily basis. Anytime, any day, any hour. Even when I'm sleeping, if you call me, yeah, you will get me.
I know. All right, that's fine. I trust you. Okay? So just do take care of yourself while I wait for the result.
All right. I'll take my leave now.
Please, do. It's fine.
Amara, the strongest girl in this our great kingdom. See, I know on this upcoming wrestling competition, you are going to emerge as a winner again. Anyway, I pray I have strength like you as you have in this kingdom.
God is the greatest. No, thank you so much. Thank you for all the praises. I appreciate it.
No, thank you very much. Thank you. You are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you. No. Yeah. You know, this your gallant security or whatever people are practicing in this kingdom. It's helping also. You know, we can sleep with our two eyes closed. Even our goats, our cow, our yams, they are all intact. No criminals, nothing again have come. See, as I'm talking to you now, I have a meeting in our neighboring village. Hey! Because, hey, Amara.
There is something off about Onowu.
How do you mean?
Are you insinuating?
It's fine, let's go.
Honestly, I feel so useless and worthless to my daughter that in anger I refused my husband's sex last night.
But that is not a serious matter now. To deny the man his right. Nancy.
Why are you saying it's not a serious matter? My own daughter shamed me. My own daughter looked me in the eyes and told me that the assignment her father has been helping him do is better than the one I do for her after school.
She's just a child. She can say whatever she likes.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
She's just a child, but seriously, this one hurts differently. It hurts differently. You don't know what it means.
Then get a home teacher for her. Yeah.
I should get a home teacher.
Yes, get a home teacher for her so that she'll be doing her homework by herself. Instead of you cracking your brain all the time, a home teacher is the best option here.
Maybe that is what I'll be doing or what I'll do. Because I don't understand. I don't understand how I'm going to be doing all these things. Oh. Eh? Do you know I cannot even solve her homework for her? I I don't.
I understand, Nancy. Just try and get a home teacher to help out. That's the option here. I mean, you're good to go.
Okay.
Okay? It's fine.
That's a nice idea.
Yeah.
So you think getting a home teacher will... You think that will help?
Yes, of course. It will help a lot. She should be able to do her homework herself. Not always relying on us to help her do it.
Okay, that's not bad. Because I noticed she barely, do her assignment herself, which means that something is wrong somewhere, All right, that's okay. That's fine. If that's what you want, it's granted.
Thank you.
It's fine if that's what you want. So yeah, I want to ask, why did you refuse to make love to me last night? What happened?
You really want to know?
Of course I want to know.
Your mouth was smiling, that's why.
I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry. But really, I'm sorry. Okay.
Yes, your mouth was smiling.
Are you...
Amadi, what's happened?
Mr. Please, can you help me with my homework?
Your homework? Annabelle, I no finish school. Na standard 3 wey me I stubborn.
What's standard 3?
Hey, you don't want your name no. See, Annabelle, go and meet your mother, eh? Your mother will do the homework for you,
But
please.
see, I want to help me out today. I know my mother is there before I came here.
Oh, thank God, your mother is calling you.
I'll be back.
Don't come back here. So this girl won't use me shine this afternoon. Me when I don't even remember what happened for school. Make I come off for here. Make I go hide a bit.
So what's your name?
Tina.
So Tina, for how long have you had this teaching experience?
3 years, Mom.
3 years. That's good. So that means you're a pro in it.
Yeah, sure. I'm going to give your child the very best of all, and you'll be noticing changes in her academics soonest.
That's good to hear. Tina, I need that change. And I need it as soon as possible. Because my child has been lagging behind and is giving me serious issues.
Okay, Ma, I got you.
Okay, Tina, how much am I going to be paying you and how many days and hours can you spend with a child in a week? A female teacher? No. But they have male teachers in their school. Why do you want a male teacher? Is it because of Abigail? But she's not a maid. She comes and goes. She's not a... I understand what you're saying, but I know you don't trust the ladies. I know. Okay, fine. That won't be a problem. I'll do as you say. Okay? Yeah, it won't be a problem. So tell me, baby, when are you coming back? Alright, my love. See you soon. Miss ya. Ciao. Bye, darling. Mwah.
Mama, that is it though.
Hey! So they killed that young man just to cover their secret. Only secret, somebody's life I just now.
That is it though. Yes.
Life Anna.
Even when I called the DPO to tell him what happened, he acted as if he was surprised. But me, I know he knows what he did. Huh? They tagged that innocent boy as a criminal, and told the police to carry the corpse, saying the corpse is owned by the federal government.
Hey! If they had told that poor boy that was going to die a few days ago, you don't have believed anybody. Now they have killed, they have taken the corpse to remove all evidence.
You needed to see when the policemen came to carry him. The boy mother and father, they were even dragging the corpse with the policemen.
Evil men, they cover their tracks. But God will pay them back.
Amen.
God will pay the evil men back.
Amen.
For all their wickedness.
I was sent by the elders to come tell you they need to speak to you tomorrow afternoon at the market square.
I hope all is well.
I think so, Mama.
Okay. No problem. She did it for goodness. Oh well.
Mama.
So what now square? Probably square for you.
Who are you?
I am Mark.
You are Mark?
Yes.
Yes, I am the chief security officer of this place. So what do you want?
Is that the right question? What is this? What are you talking about? What happened to your etiquette?
This is the problem I'm having. Now the problem where they always get be this. Good English in a wrong place. Yes, which one be air ticket again? This place there you like airport? Did you think that they sell air ticket here?
Such an ill-mannered and uncouth fellow you are. Please go in and get me the madam of the house.
And you are?
I already told you who I am. I am not here to joke. Go in and get me the madam of the house.
My friend, will you calm down? Who you dey shout for? So wait first. You get mine. Enter my territory, come dey shout for me. See, no sis because you tall, I am shorter than you. I can do what you cannot do. Yes?
Well, I don't blame you. Please, get me the owner of the house.
I
am losing my
My
patience.
friend, shut up! Yes, shut up! Yes! Shut up, let me go and call my madam. You are talking too much. You dey go person house, you dey talk past the owner of the house. Calm down. I don't blame you too. I don't blame you too because you don't have manner. You don't have manner. Hold on, let me go and call my madam.
Oh. Good day, ma.
Good.
You?
Yeah, my name is Philip. It's nice meeting you.
No, you can't be Philip. You're Mark.
Mark? Who is Mark? Like I said, my name is Philip Oswagu.
Well, you look like him.
Like someone you know?
Never mind. Please have a seat.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
A nice place you have.
Thank you. Make yourself comfortable. I mean, what can I offer you?
Mom, I think that can wait.
I am from your daughter's school. The head teacher informed me that you are in need of a male teacher for your daughter. That is why I am here.
Honestly, sweetheart, he looked so much like my ex. I would have sworn that's him. Now I believe we have our lookalikes. But I've not seen mine though. I was really scared when I saw him. Well, he's starting tomorrow. Yes.
So in our today's lesson, we are going to be looking at oh wow.
Mr. Philip, have this. Fill off with it.
Wow. That's very nice of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Annabelle, hope you're listening to what he's teaching.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Right on.
All right.
I like my home teacher. He's good.
I'm glad you like him.
So that means we will be expecting good grades this time, huh?
You can count on that. I assure you.
Should better be serious with our studies because we're not paying small money. We're paying a lot for that. All right? Good. So I'll be heading to Ibadan for, something came up in our second branch. So I'm staying for at least 10 days.
10 what? 10 days? Why am I just hearing it?
It just came up. It just called me earlier today for that. Something spoiled in the branch and I'm just the only one to work on that. So I'll just go and come back before you know it. It wasn't planned. Don't be like that.
Dad, I miss you.
I miss you too. But what you owe your mom and I is good grade. Okay? Take your education seriously. All right? Make daddy proud. Make mommy proud. Okay?
Amara. Amara, we have gathered here to deliberate on one thing concerning this your work. Our Igwe have given us order to tell you to stop you and your group. If not that he travel out of this country, he would have said to you by himself. But he sent me as the Onowu of this great kingdom to tell you, you and your gang, to stop this your work. All this I'm saying now, the Commissioner of Police is aware of it. So, and I urge you people to stop until when the king returns.
Oh no, I'm sorry, but I don't think you understood what you just said. Please, can you explain further?
Mala, what you know is trying to say is that the people have been bringing complaints here and there concerning this year work. They are fed up with what you are doing. Instead of securing them, you are bullying them, suffering them, doing all kind of evil against them. And therefore, they are no more comfortable with you. They want you to stop.
Wait, oh no, Ndiche. Are you trying to say that the Igwe asked us to resign? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes, of course. The Igwe have given the order that you should stop.
Yes.
No, it's not true. It's not true. Look, the Igwe knows how useful we are to this community. He knows the good work we are doing, so he cannot give such order. I don't believe you.
Ebuka, I know you as one of the security officers. Good one at that. But this latest development, the Nigerian police is aware of it and it has been registered with them. The people do not want you anymore. Therefore, you should quit. You see, if you continue with this job, it is now illegal. And the Nigerian police have every right to arrest you, not only arresting you, lock you up. And your case is finished. They can term you as thieves. So, we are okay. Oh no, if you know how to address them for them to understand this, do that. I have delivered the message. I am on the way. I am going. Thank you.
Amara and his group. Wait. I know that you people are doing a great job. We all appreciate all this your good works. Yes. Eh? But I wonder how the people of this great kingdom will see all this your beautiful work that people are doing. At least we can go inside and sleep with our two eyes closed and they start kicking against it. Anyway, don't worry. I will talk to our king on your behalf. Maybe when he comes back, he can also tell you people to start your work. But for now, stop. People have given the order.
I know a day like this will come. I knew something was wrong the very day we went to see Onowo and he was smiling and acting uncomfortable. But it's fine. We should stop working. And that is exactly what we are going to do. We have to obey the commandment of the king. I just can't believe that after what we sacrificed for this work, after we dedicated our time, our energy for these communities, this is the way they want to pay us back. But it's fine. Since they want us to stop working, so be it. I'm done.
Strongest. I sense conspiracy.
Sure that if the Igwe finds out the truth, he will allow us to continue.
I don't care. I don't care if the order is from the Igwe or not. They don't like what we are doing. They are not grateful. It's fine. I'm done with this work, like I said.
You know the union shaman is behind this, right?
Okay, so let's go. All right.
Just imagine the way my oga pikin dey cry because him papa travel. Oh God of mercy, lead my oga to his destination and bring him back safely. Because it is written that our going out and our coming in will always be a blessing to us. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. My oga, as I don't pray for you, buy me something as we dey come back. Oh.
Yes, I hope you wrote it. Annie, I've not been seeing your dad lately. I hope all is well with him.
He traveled,
Oh, I see.
so it's just me and my mom now. But he'll soon be back.
Oh, I see.
Is everything alright, sir?
Oh, yeah. Oh, everything is okay. Let's continue. Okay, you're done. Okay, from here. Let's go. Okay, from here. Okay. You already finished this. Thank you very much, ma, for the food. I really enjoyed myself.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you very much. Annie made me to understand that the dad traveled.
Yes, my husband traveled, but he'll be back sometime this week. Yes.
Oh, don't you need company, a man figure since your husband is not around? I can help.
Okay. That's generous of you and thoughtful of you, actually, because Don't worry, I have my security guy if I need any help. He's there to assist me.
It's okay, but I can always come around, from time to time. Maybe to...
Oh, really? You're just coming now. I thought you'd forgotten me. Look at you.
I'm sorry, Nancy. You know the nature of my job.
Okay, I forgive you.
Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you. I almost forgot. I have a meeting by 4. And please help me tell Annie that I'm leaving. I will see her tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
And thank you very much for the food.
Oh, please. It's
Thank
okay.
you.
You've been
It's
thanking
okay.
me. All right, I'll be expecting you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Girl! This guy look like Mark, your ex. God!
Exactly. Girl, the first day I saw this guy, it was as if I was seeing a ghost. I was so shocked. But honestly, he's a total different person altogether. Omo, God they create oh. God they create my sister. Me self, I've never seen my look alike. Oh. Maybe you've seen your own. I've not seen my own though. Girl, what's up now? Don't do this to me. You know I'm alone in this house. And you're just coming by this time.
Sorry,
What's wrong with you?
Majesty, I'm sorry.
You're sorry. And even you came without nothing.
What's happening now?
Please go back. Go and get me juice.
Sweetie! I heard you scream. Baby, what is it? I'm here.
I had a bad dream.
A bad dream?
I saw my home teacher. He's a bad man.
What?
It's okay. I'm here. It's okay.
Welcome, baby. I missed you.
I missed you more.
Dad, missed you.
I missed you more.
I don't understand.
I hope you didn't stress, Mom. Hmm? Are you sure?
Yes.
I missed you.
So does it mean you didn't miss me that much?
Don't be like that. Of course, you know I missed you. I'm so happy to be back for my wifey. Hmm?
So happy you're home.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome, darling.
Just that I don't want to cut your joy because in the next few days I should be traveling to Bauchi.
Again?
Yes. Oh, but come on. This time I'm not staying long. Just for 3 days. I'll be back before you know it. Hmm? Don't be like that now.
I don't like this, honestly. I don't like it. Welcome, just know that I'm not happy at all.